Hi, my name is Emily Hanks, and this is the week 6 assignment. This week we've been focusing on doing routes and setting our web application to, instead of using like ng if this tab was selected and show this component, or if this was selected, show that component, we are now having this send out a router link command, which takes us to the documents. And if we have it blank, it will go to our documents. We have made sure that everything still works, so we've added some new functionality like the view. I'm not sure you could tell, but it pulled up a new tab for this document. Or here it shows, well, it'll take a while, but it pulls up another thing. We can also theoretically edit, though we haven't written out that component fully yet, and we can delete items. And as you notice, whenever we click one of these items, it shows in the URL here the ID number. But we could theoretically, wait, I think we deleted that one. Okay, now I just wrote it out. But yeah, you can do it that way. Messages still works. Haven't done anything. And contacts. Here we've also added routing to grab the item or the contact ID and put it in the route in the URL, which the contact detail component would then grab the ID from the URL and grab the contact using that ID from the contact service. Again, contact edit, that one theoretically works. We don't have it all completed yet, and we can delete items as well. Or new contact, I'm going to do that one. We haven't fixed that yet. But otherwise, that completes this week's assignment.